If you like my content, crash into the subscribe button and kickstart the like button. In some caves, a lot of scrolls were found. Scrolls on here. In that collection of scrolls was found copper scrolls. Those scrolls contained information containing of a treasure. Treasure that would be worth approximately $100 million or more. These scrolls still stump archaeologists. From today onward, and scrolls date from the Second Temple when it was destroyed by outside forces. This sort of treasure is made of gold relics and silver relics. The Jewish Empire, from the Jewish Empire,